Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a special video here. We are gonna be opening the last pack. So we got some Stellar Crown cards right there. So we're gonna check in the binder if we already have those or if we don't. Okay, so first one is Fire Energy. I think we already have this. Pansear, yeah, up at the top. I don't know if you can see right up here. That one's a duplicate, but let's see. Hope we can get at least one new one. The Dreadnought. Unfortunately, it is not new. And the Lantern, which is all the way over here. It's also not new. So, all three of those are duplicates. And yeah, if you didn't know by now, we are trying to complete the Stellar Crown, set. And we're pretty darn close. We got a lot of the cards, so we got a lot of them. And then the subset is where it gets a little tougher. The subset is like way, it's got a lot of those SIRs and art rares and full arts. So that is kind of getting tougher, but yeah, we have that. And we have, so I bought these off of eBay. And so, these are mystery tins, so they're guaranteed, like, just set fillers. So I don't know what's going to be inside of these. So we're going to open this one first, because this one seems like it has less cards in it. Each of these were, like, about $5 maybe. Oh, what the? Wait, it's not even Pokemon. They're football cards. Okay. I don't want them. So, I guess I'll sell them maybe. Okay, that was unexpected. So, $5. I'm gonna have to look up the prices of those cards, but now this is like a heavier tin, so this might have more in it. Oh my god. Seriously? I thought it said Pokemon cards. Am I wrong? These are all football and baseball. Hold on. Okay, what is happening here? Did I just get scammed or something? Let's look. Yeah, it says Pokemon cards. It says hollow or better Pokemon cards. That is so weird. Okay, well, at least they weren't that much money. Because if they were more expensive, that would have been bad. But we have some packs here to open. There's one more over here. And we're gonna see. We might open them today. I think we have to open one today because just to open something that's not a scam, unless these packs are a scam. But like, sure, I'll take some baseball cards, but like, alright, which one? I think we're gonna open. We'll open Big League Baseball today. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, sure, I collect a little bit of baseball, but not too much. Alright. Okay. But yeah, ooh, Dodgers. It's kind of just off and on. Good Vibrations. And Spencer Strider. Good Vibrations. and Brent Rooker. Okay, so that pack was fine. Honestly, I don't know what the biggest card you can pull from that set is. I just got a couple of these for cheap, so it's fun. But, yeah, so, please, please, please subscribe if you want to see me open all 3 of these in one video. Plus, I have, I ordered a mystery binder, from a good friend. I ordered a mystery binder. So, if you want to see that, please, please, please subscribe, because we really need it. And, yeah, see you guys later. Bye.